it better now? Maybe. Darren, how's the situation now? No. Okay. So, seems we have a microphone issue today, so I will try to do this way. Sorry guys, I can't improve this, because, what can we do now? Well, okay, anyway, let's continue. Perfect. Haha, ho, thank you very much. Okay, reference 3611 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Then the asking price is 69,000 euros. So this is, in my opinion, quite an interesting purchase, because we are still talking about Naranjos 2 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and we have a pretty well fitted and kitted apartment here, as we said, with air conditioning in the living room, kitchen dash dining area, and fully furnished, as we can see. And I'm just wondering and continuing here to the bedrooms. We have two similar bedrooms. I couldn't say which one is the master bed, because both of them have two single beds with leather bed heads. They're looking quite posh, to say. We have no air conditioning in the bedrooms, but we have an air conditioning in the living room. As you guys know, all properties here have fitted wardrobes. Here we go. Shall we have a look in the inside? Yes, there we go. So, fitted wardrobe, not a real surprise, no? Okay, second bedroom, as well fitted with two single beds, also with leather bed heads, both with fans, as we can see here, ventilators, and there is no air conditioning in the second bedroom, neither, also fitted wardrobe. The bathroom, as you can see, is a standard bathroom for Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, with bathtub and all other necessary mod cons for a bathroom. Having said that, reference 3611 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. But I think one of the assets of this property are the views, as we can see. And, well, let me have a look at the back room, because there we can see also the views from the back room. My problem is that the internet connection will not follow me up to the terrace, so let me show you a little bit here of the views and back. And lucky as there is a massive tree here, so we hardly see anything, but as you can see, we are looking onto the lemon groves, we're looking onto Sierra de Carrascoy, so there is nothing blocking your view except the tree. But the trees are cut back frequently by our gardeners, operated by STV. As you guys know, within our community fees, we are also employing over 21 gardeners through the company STV, and they, I think, are providing a perfect and really good service to the community, and keeping the resort even nice when you guys are not here. So they're doing it as well whilst you're all at home working. They still do here the job and keep the resort as it should be, in pristine condition. The rain will have an impact on the resort, no doubt about, because things will now start to blossom and grow again as they should. And just back on the terrace, well, on the small front terrace here, because it's sunny. We haven't seen the sun now for since yesterday evening, so we're really short already of sun, so lucky us, it's back now. The forecast for the weekend is not that brilliant, so it will stay more or less in the low 10s, to say. I don't think we will go into the 20s this weekend. Next week it looks a little bit better, but for the time being, not. Okay, now let's make a trial and let's walk up the staircase to show you the roof terrace. I hope my internet connection is good enough today to provide us some coverage as well up here, because the views are just breathtaking. So, René, well, I will do so, no doubt about. Hello, how are you, René? Everything okay? I'm just sending you here some nice pictures from Condado de Alhama Golf Resort here in the southeast of Spain. And it looks really great today. So I wanted to show you a little bit of the views from the roof terrace. Here we go. Obviously we're looking down to the community garden. Here we see the community pool, the community gardens. There we go. And I hope, René, you will visit us soon here on Condado, together with Paul, I hope. So looking forward to having a coffee with you, no doubt. And have a look at the back here on the views from the roof terrace, which is just breathtaking. As I said, it just cleared out. We see La Isla, the island over there, the development which is also part of Condado, but outside. And, well, and a massive terrace. The terrace has the same size as the apartment, so it's about 50 odd square meters. And as you can see, this is normally the place to be during summer. As we can see here, you could put up here an awning to give a little bit more of protection to this area regarding the sun. But otherwise, it's beautifully set up here. In case you have any question or doubt or want me to show you something in particular again, no problem at all. We also do dedications. Well, what we can't do is we can't play any music for you because we don't have the Spotify connected to our Facebook setup. But otherwise, feel free to ask whatever you want. Me and my team will be happy to answer any question or to show you whatever you want to see. As you maybe know, we are already in the mid of November, so soon also our holiday season starts. You wouldn't believe it. We have 2 more shows to go, and then this will be it for the year 2021. But I promise that we will be back next year again with more virtual open houses here from Condado de Alhama or from other areas. You never know. So we are going back into this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. It's reference 3611 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm just wandering through the property here to show you a little bit of how this looks like and how the feel could be. So I'm just here in the living room. As we said, asking price is only 69,000 euros, which in my opinion is reflecting more than the value. We are on Naranjos 2. So as you know, the gardens Naranjos 1 to 6 are the most attractive at the moment due to the fact that they are between the Gulf and the town center Alcázar. In the town center, you find supermarkets, you find hairdresser, furniture shop, bars, restaurants, a pub, even an estate agent is there, Quality Homes Costa Calida, and new, we now have also an insurance office on site. As you maybe know, the community insurance has changed from Mapfre, which is a Spanish company, to Allianz, and they have now opened an office. They are there Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays from 10 to 7. And we do see, because they are exactly opposite our office now, and we do see more and more people coming in and getting their insurance now changed to the new provider, which I think is a good idea. We will do the same with our apartments. We will also change now from the prior company now to the one who is holding the policy for Condado de Alhama, and we hope this will go on for some more years, because I think also the service they're providing now with having somebody on site every week, 3 days, is really an asset to the community and really helps us as well to provide the service many owners need. And there is sometimes when you need the insurance, it's good to have somebody on site who can take care of the problems arising. So I think that's a smart move also from the community to choose a provider who's maybe also offering a little bit more a stable service and not maybe once a week in the pub, to say. So, okay, we did that, a little rant on the insurance. And well, this was one of the new units which just have opened. We're looking into a second unit to open soon. You guys maybe know that the Bocao has been taken over, and as well the former Millennium Administration Office as well. And we soon will see more activities in these units, hopefully before the year ends. So back to what we are doing today, reference 3611. 2-bed, 1-bathroom, asking price 69,000. Community fees are around 80 euros per month and include all services provided by the community, which means security, gardening, pool cleaning, streets cleaning, but as well it includes for each property an individual internet connection for, well, it's a 100 megabit up and download dedicated line. We have a glass fiber network running here. And as well included is the use of over 250 TV channels, which are also in our glass fiber network. This helps as well. And cost-wise, we just pay above 30 euros where we live just for the internet. So when you discount now only the internet, which is over 30 euros, from the 80 euros you pay here, it's only 50 now for the community to provide all the services. So I think this is a smart deal. have to say, congrats to the community. And it's a very stable and reliable service. We have always one service guy at least working on site Monday to Friday, and if, in case there is any issue with internet or television, they are here nearly always the same day and get the things sorted pretty quickly. So congrats to the service, and I think we're really happy that this is provided on a community basis, because it saves us all lots of money and provides a very stable connection. Reference 3611, qualityhomescostacalida.com. These are the details for this property or for any property you want to see on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. This virtual viewing is provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Having said that, I can't show you a lot anymore because this was it for today. I think it's a great property. 2 bed, 1 bath, 69,000 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Might also work as investment in case you think of investing some money in Spain. These properties are renting around 420 euros in a long-term scheme, which means that you could make around 5% return on investment without any problem. Okay, I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you next week again on our virtual open house. I don't know yet where we go. We have several properties to choose from, as there are only 2 shows left for this year. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you again next week, Thursday, 5 o'clock CET. So, well done. Wow. Well, Paul, there's quite some history in your family now. Okay, I think I need to sit down with your mother. Yeah, this sounds interesting. Okay, doke. Thank you very much for watching me, and enjoy your day. Happy days, and see you next week again, 5 o'clock CET, 4 o'clock in the UK and the Canary Islands. Bye. Take care.